up, guys? We're in the Kel Shelby tribute car today, making our way down to Spartanburg, South Carolina. Visit our friends at LTH Exhaust. I'm gonna take a tour of their facility, look at some new products they got going on, and also go over some details on an upcoming video shoot we're gonna do down there at their facility. Give you a little insider view, preview of what we're planning on doing, and as we discuss some of the logistics involved and all of it. But I want to give you guys a heads up on a new video coming your way. Be prepared for a flyby in about 3 seconds. We're coming through. All right, we've arrived. We're gonna go talk to Steve from LTH. Usually they keep that one open. What up, Steve? Got him. What was this beforehand?
Both of them were Goodyears back in the day,
Oh, okay.
and then before that it was publicly traded Logan Enterprises. There's only 1, 2, 3, 4 original buildings out of the 6.
No.
And he made female dresses for Hex department stores.
Okay.
So yeah,
That's cool.
Solid tube all the way through, perforated. That's before it goes too tight.
New product, polished tips coming out with, looking sexy. Getting some ideas for our video shoot that we'll be doing in the comp cars. Just a little pre-run, so to speak. Nothing's moved in yet. This is just a big open warehouse, and we're going to break it in a little bit, you know. These guys really don't know how long I've been looking for an abandoned warehouse to drift in or out of, or both. I've been literally been looking for something abandoned like that was not across the country that we come play around in and shoot a video. So this week, everything I had to do is all LTH oriented. We just shot a lot of videos for Randy's car on the dyno and new exhaust, and now we're doing the tour facility here and kind of pre-gaming a little bit on the video we're gonna do in the competition cars. So it's LTH week, all LTH stuff. Now I'm gonna go home and start editing some videos, and you'll see those coming out very soon.